Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Pynkohnguh, Chingalpet.
For admissions, contact 9688 811 8012 73730 79060.
Director General of Police Kajala, Dr. L. Bishnoi, Hakasantri Ujmang Araja Pulai, Ulalum da Kajingalang Hapadang Ginoy Lambat Kisamla, Nakajat Pendrio Kuki but Meitei, Kiba Shong Basa Haganong Bat Shillong, Hadin Baklami Kajingi Shaw Edat, Hapadang Kiniki Arjat Pendrio, Hakajanmit, Jongka Sautri Ujmang Araja Pulai, Nakajingja, Hakajala Manipur, Kabala Plu, Nakadao, Kajing Persha, Jongki Reulum, Kuki, Ban Aikerdan Schedule Tribe, Yaki Meitei, Kibom Day Kiriulum. Ha kajingalang kabalalong Hanaga Dorbar Hall, Ha Nagaland House Nongrim Hills Shillong, Ha kabalasan ran lang da Superintendent of Police ka East Coast Hills uba Sylvester Nong Tenger, Superintendent of Police City uba Vivex EM bat kiwe ki hek pulen, DGP ula Pynkohnguh yaki Kuki bat yaki Meitei, bakin penek yaka Shong Sok Shong San, Ha kini kanong bat Shillong, bat bakim day bantawi kinu gijing yakan at apeteng jongki. Ha kajing keren bagi lap thai kubor Dr. Bishnoi ulai thu ba yaki khat ndrungut kibedan kiti bani sho lapalat nyo hadien bala Pynkohnguh yaki katkom ka section 107 bat ka section 109 Criminal Procedure Code ba kimdei ban thau jingkul marshu nang ni shakmat Henry ban penne yaka Shong Sok Shong San ha kini kanong ba Shillong.
We have organized an interaction meeting with the community leader and the students leader of both Kuki as well as Meitei community. After unfortunate and tragic incidents in the Imphal and other parts of the Manipur, we have decided that there should not be any misunderstanding among the citizens of both community living in Shillong and other parts of Meghalaya. So we thought it wise as a preventive step to invite the community leader and the student leader of both communities. And we have expressed our concerns towards any kind of mistrust or misunderstanding. Yesterday, a small scuffle took place in the Nongslang area under Laimukha police station, where some of the youths of one community was targeted by others. But unfortunately, the police rushed to the spot immediately and prevented this incident to further flaring up. We invited the community leaders of both the communities in the Laimukha police station, and there they have assured us to maintain peace and order and to overcome any kind of misperception, misunderstanding, mistrust among the leaders of both communities. Today we have invited them in this Naga Darbar Hall and just explored the thoughts of their minds. They have shared their concerns with the police, and we have also exchanged certain tips on how to go about it after the violent incidents in Manipur. And everybody assured us that we will maintain peace and order, and they also assured us for full cooperation with the police officials. And I'm sure that the peace will be maintained, and whatever existing relationship is there, it will be further strengthened by this interaction. And if need arises, we can go for more such interactions to remove any kind of misunderstanding from their minds. As a preventive detention, and after execution of the bonds from both sides under section 107 and 109 CRPC, we have allowed them to go back, and they assured us, and they have executed bonds for ensuring the peace. So that is why we have not decided to forward them into jail, but it was a minor scuffle and misunderstandings. So I'm sure that this kind of misunderstanding will be no more in the city of Shillong, and the peace and order will be prevailed in the Shillong and other parts. So it was very minor scuffle, misunderstanding, and police reached on the spot immediately, and we counseled them properly. Proper counseling was done, and they also realized their mistake, and they assured us never to take law into their own hands from now onwards. And in good faith, both the community leaders they executed bond, and we have allowed them to go. These students are safe. We are in regular touch with the senior officers of Manipur. Today itself I have spoken with the DGP Manipur, and they have assured us to provide full safety to the citizens. And today one chartered plan is going to Imphal to bring back the students of Meghalaya. We have got the list of 61 students who are studying in agriculture and food technology institutes, and some in the RIMS also. And if second lot also, the Honorable CM has assured that they will be brought back till the situation settles down there, till the situation normalizes. And I'm sure that I have spoken with DGP, lot of forces have reached there, and within a couple of days the situation will become normal. And that today just plan, the aeroplane has gone, chartered plane has gone, and our officers have also gone. We got the list of 61, and we have spoken with the Assam, the rifle officials also, and the Manipur. They have assured us to provide security till they depart from the Imphal. And I don't visualize any serious problem.
So in total, how many? Because as you mentioned, 61, so maybe...
61, we got the list. And after that, whoever are left in the RIMS and other institutions, they will also be brought back. And immediately, once they come here, we have a plan to interact with them so that they should not feel any kind of trauma after this.
But any data, like how many altogether we have in Manipur?
That exact data is not available with me, and we will try to collect that data exactly, because there are different institutes where the students are studying. Some institutes are safe, like yesterday when I have spoken with the DGP, so he assured us, and immediately paramilitary forces were deployed in the RIMS, and the students were safe.
Will the security be beefed up in the city? I mean, especially in those places?
So we have identified certain areas where the citizens and the youth of both community are residing, like Happy Valley, like Nongthumai area is there, Nongslang area is there, Laimukra area is there, and Madan Rating area is there, and few other scattered areas where the youth are staying. So in those areas, we have already drawn a plan to execute and strengthen the mobile patrolling in those areas. The 6 areas we have identified, and rest some educational institutions, like many students are studying in Nehu. So we are in touch with the administration of the Nehu also. And so far no problem, and we are not visualizing much problems here. We have shared our contact number with all the community and students leader, and assured them if any problem, please don't take law into your own hands. We are with them for any kind of help, and they are free to contact. We can invite them also. This is a very, very preliminary interaction meeting. We will organize more such meeting, inviting the concerned, the Rongba Shnong, Darbar Shnong also. And Honorable Chief Minister has already appealed to all sections of the society, including community leaders, to help us in maintaining peace and order here, and they should not take law into their own hands. Now, this is just order has come out. We will examine the orders, and after that follow-up action will be taken. Now, the Honorable High Court has given order for one particular case only. The rest, others cases, etc., if any matter is subsidized, so I can't say because data is not with me now.
In fact, today a meeting has been called by the DGP government of Meghalaya, and the meeting is basically the untoward incidents and then little sad incidents what had happened in Manipur, and also here in Shillong. Yesterday we had a few unavoidable incidences in Shillong. This is basically between the two communities hailing from the state of Manipur. One is Meitei community and one is the Kuki communities. So we have been called by the DGP Meghalaya to to share the feelings between the two communities and to resolve the issues. And this basically is helping us to promote the peaceful coexistence of the two communities hailing from Manipur. And basically the objective is that, and at the same time both the communities are very much willing to come, and then we express all our feelings and thoughts, and then now we all have decided that we will continue meaning we will continue living here in Shillong peacefully from border communities. And the communities are represented by the elders from the Kuki communities, and also the Meitei communities, and student leaders and student communities from border communities. Yes, we wanted to convey the message to the people of Manipur that let the peace prevail at the earliest possible with the interventions of competent authority in the state of Manipur, and then let us give a peace a chance once again to all the communities in Manipur.
Today, what happened exactly here is not because of something that has seriously happened or some untoward incident in Shillong, but this is some sort of precautionary measures meeting that the police have initiated, and they have brought us together, both the community, the Kuki community and the Meitei community here in Shillong, so that what happened in Manipur right now, the incident that happened should not continue here in Shillong. So the police have briefed us something about how we should take steps and what we should do in order to maintain peace and harmony in Shillong, because at this point of time, especially the people from both Kuki and Meiteis are in high emotional trauma because of what happened at home. That is why we don't want, both from the leaders of the community and the police, we all try to work out so that nothing serious happened between the communities here, because students and family, they live here to come and study and for some government employment, but sometime as a human being things escalated because of our emotional feelings. That's why in order to prevent all these drastic measures that will come out in future, we have a meeting convened by the DGP himself today, and we make an agreement that whatever things come out and in Shillong, and we will try to work out, and we will try to sort out in all angles, and we will work together in such a way that peace prevail. And above all, one thing I just want to add is, yes, as a community, we are grief about what happened at home. We think about our families, we think about our parents and our community, because some, in many places houses are burned, and then churches are burned. People are not allowed to stay at home, and some are not allowed to go out of their locality. And we fear that if this continue, it will adversely affect students here in Shillong, because they are the people. I mean, our parents are the backbone for our educations and everything here. If there is a problem back at home, it becomes a major problem. It's a big problem for people outside, because without them we can't survive for a longer period of time. That's why I urge the government to take a big leap a proper and peaceful solution, so that we will not suffer more from this moment onward. Thank you.